Okay, this is going to be our dotty art project to go with our art history lesson of Yayoi Kusama. To do this art project, I've divided it into 2 grade level groups, so there can be a more difficult art project and an easier one. This is the more difficult one. This would be like 4th graders for sure should do this one, but then any kid that's younger that wants to try it could do this lesson. So you need 2 white pieces of paper. The hardest part is making your umbrella. You're going to want to make sure that it's this equal size on both edges of your paper. So you're going to make a dot at 6 inches over here, and then you're going to turn your ruler and you're going to make a dot at 6 inches over here. You're going to draw an arch connecting those dots. You're going to cut on that line. And then you're going to begin doing your pattern of dots. I did dots and lines. And I repeated them until I got to the end. Okay, once you fill your umbrella shape with your dots and lines, you're going to do some folding. You're going to first fold in half, and then you're going to take the edges and fold those in half as well. So I'm going to just flip it over. I'm going to take my edge and I'm going to fold it down to the middle. That's going to create the umbrella shape. On your second sheet of white paper, I used Sharpie, a thin point, and then a fine point. This is ultra fine point, fine point. You can use whatever materials you have at home. You could use magic markers to draw your dots. On your second sheet of paper, you're going to draw like a puddle. You're going to draw rain clouds. You're going to draw some lines going down and puddles kind of abstractly at the bottom. You're going to use a glue stick. You're going to turn your umbrella to the back. You're going to glue those corners. That's the only place you need glue on this. You're going to make it facing down in that big puddle. And you can draw your umbrella handle. You can add some thicker black lines if you want. And I mean, you could be creative and use this as a guide and use color if you want. You could use different colored construction paper for your background. You could use different colored paper for your umbrella. You could use markers. This is my basic lesson, but you could, you know, make it your own. Again, this is the more advanced demonstration for 4th graders or anybody wanting to try to challenge themselves. Here's the completed project. Good luck, have fun.